Hi guys, so today I show you how to make a brush in Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. So first thing I want to do is to make a folder inside my desktop and put the files or the images that you want to create a brush inside your creative folder. So I open the folder and inside my folder I have three images. So I choose one, so I open it. So this is the image that I want to make a brush, and I close it. So after that, open your Photoshop CC, go to file and open. So I open it. I go desktop and choose your created folder, and again choose your image, and I choose this one. So if you see, the background is black, so click it to unlock and double click it again and increase the white background and click OK. Then choose the polygonal lasso tool and choose one. And after that, go to edit and choose define brush preset, and I rename it. So I rename, for example, brush 4 and click OK. So it's done and it's right. So the color this brush is yellow, and I change the color, so I choose blue. So here, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video guys, and please like and subscribe.